Hey everyone, welcome to the today's latest update on Bullx, which is the top decentralized exchange for meme coins. So today we are diving into the exciting new Tron-Vision feature on Bullx, where Tron meme coins are now available for trading. This major development will reshape the way you interact with Tron's meme coin ecosystem, offering more opportunities for profitable trades. So stick around to learn about its powerful features and how you can gain early access. So Bullx has recently added Tron meme coins on its platform following its success with Solana and Ethereum meme coins. So the addition of the Tron meme coins brings more variety to the meme coins trading market, giving traders new opportunities. So if you want to get access to Tron-Vision, then you can use the link that is given in the description. Even if you have an account on Bullx for trading Tron meme coins, you still need the early invite access. So make sure you click on the link that is given in the description. Now, Bullx Tron-Vision introduced several new features. So in order to access it, you just have to simply click on the Tron-Vision section. And here we have the option of Wallet Manager, which can be used to easily top up your wallet with TRX tokens and manage funds seamlessly. Next, we have the option of multi-chart support. So over here, you can view up to 10 different charts simultaneously to monitor various trades. This feature is ideal for those who are managing multiple positions. Now, you can even keep a track on your portfolio with the portfolio tracker feature. So in order to keep track of your active positions, trading history, realized P&L, and your most profitable coins in one place. So next we have some of the advanced features. So if we go to explore, we have some of the advanced features that could help you to perform the advanced strategies. Now the platform allows for automated trading strategies. So we have the stop loss option and the take profit order option. So traders can set the stop loss and take profit target in the fully automated system, reducing the manual efforts. Now you can set the strategies like selling at the different price targets, for example 150% and 250% profit levels, and let the system handle the rest. This ensures better trade management without the constant monitoring. Now, in order to access to the new meme coins, the Tron-Vision section is the one thing that you should consider. So the Tron-Vision section displays the new and the upcoming meme coins. It also provides insider information such as how much of a token is held by the insider, which can help avoid the risky trades. This is especially useful for meme coins that may otherwise be prone to rug pulls. Now, for more strategic entries, the DCA feature lets traders split their buying into multiple smaller purchases over time. This helps achieve a better average entry price, especially in the volatile market. The early access to the Tron-Vision is available through Bullx's beta program. So to access it, you can simply join the link that is given in the description, and the access will be provided to you within the next 48 to 72 hours. So Tron-Vision on Bullx offers a robust and feature-packed platform for trading meme coins, giving you the tools to make smarter, more profitable trades. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like, comments and subscribe for more insights on Bullx and other crypto developments. Thank you so much for watching.